I was interested in finding an institution that blended teaching and research, and Buffalo State was advertising for a plant biologist, and it just seemed like a great fit. And so my wife, Camille Holmgren, and I are both here at Buffalo State. She's in geography and planning, and I'm in biology, and it's been great, and have had great opportunities to continue to develop our research programs and engage with students in the classroom and in the laboratory. This spring I was invited by colleagues working at UB in the geography department to participate in some travel that they were conducting in China. They've developed a research program in western Inner Mongolia, 1,500 kilometers west of Beijing, out in the Gobi Desert. And so this was a really exciting opportunity to travel with native Chinese speakers, very accomplished scientists, to do some field work and to take the tools that I've developed and the ideas I've developed in my time here in Buffalo at SUNY Buffalo State, and to take it to the far side of the world, just the most remote place you can imagine, and to continue and develop our ideas there. And so we were studying a plant called salt cedar, which is native in China but very invasive in the western United States. And it's really well studied in the western United States as an invasive species. But very few Western scientists have studied salt cedar in its native environment. And then to finally get out to the field site and to feel perfectly at home, the plant communities there in the Gobi Desert, very similar to communities that I've worked with in southern New Mexico and in West Texas. And the big picture is that we want to study this in China, where salt cedar is native, and we want to make comparative measurements in the American Southwest, where salt cedar is invasive. The strengths of the biology department, I think we do a couple of things really, really well. The department has a commitment to hands-on biological education. So all of our upper division classes, with just a few exceptions, have an integrated laboratory component. So students are working in the laboratory, hands-on, developing laboratory technique, working with the tools, interacting with one another, interacting with their instructor. That our courses are, all of our upper division courses are taught by instructors with PhDs in their fields. And so this means that you've got, from the student's perspective, access to expertise. And I think that's a great opportunity for students. The institution has a commitment, demonstrated commitment, an outstanding commitment to undergraduate research. It's something the biology department fully embraces. Research of students' own design, working in collaboration with faculty. And that's the sort of personalized, hands-on, engaged learning that I think is really exciting and valuable to the students that are involved.